Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. So an accessory that's become increasingly popular are LED light strips, those flexible strips of light that you can peel onto a table or onto a ceiling and adds a very cool ambiance in a room and adds a futuristic touch. So one spin-off or new variant is actually a dedicated roll of this LED light, but it's meant for camping. So it's actually waterproof. You can see the box here is completely generic, and the only color really is regular white light, but it has the same concept, and it uses a built-in full-size USB port that you can plug into any standard outlet or power bank to add some lighting, and you can stick this onto a tent or something that's soft, or even roll it around something as a lighting piece. It sells on Amazon for under $12, which isn't too expensive, and on the inside you have access to a waterproof case that you can close up and roll up the LED strip when not in use, and the actual strip itself looks like this. It's been coated in this very thick layer of rubber just to prevent it from getting damaged if it does land in water, for instance. And some interesting things about this, you can see that there are a few yellow accents. These are actually magnets. So you can magnetically stick this onto, let's say, a small refrigerator maybe you have with you. It's very malleable, just like the regular LED strips that we've talked about. So you can easily position it along a tent or even just fold it up like this, maybe for some mood lighting or for reading. You can see on the other end, there is the aforementioned full-size USB cable, which is pretty modern looking. It's made out of plastic, and it's reversible as well. And the other side features a lanyard strap, so this can easily attach onto a backpack even if you wanted to hold it up like that. It also includes 3 of these interesting looking additional orange kind of accents, and these rubber accents allow you to manually attach this onto a surface, for instance by tying a knot. Maybe if you have a tent that has a specific port on the top, so that hangs up a bit more easily. So there's multiple ways to really set this up and use it when you're traveling and on the go, which is quite useful. Let's take a look at how it actually functions when we plug it into power. So there we go. This is what the light is going to look like. You can see it's very even, and it's the color of the light is pretty bright. It doesn't have a very warm glow as you would expect from most LEDs, but it's definitely bright enough even to use for reading purposes. If you have a laptop screen, it allows you to read text more comfortably in darker environments. And one of these, I would say, can even fill up a small room fairly well, so they are extremely bright. And again, it's pretty even as far as the light being dissipated. The other side, of course, doesn't really reflect as much light. It's meant to be stuck onto a surface. And otherwise, one of the limitations would be the smaller length, since it's really meant as a dedicated unit as opposed to a really long cord of these LED lights. But otherwise, it works pretty well. Let's turn off the background light and take a look at what the effect is. So you can see this is what it would resemble. And if I have the box over here, you can see that's definitely visible in terms of text and using it maybe as a torch or flashlight. A very non-conventional one though, but easy to set up and position and shape your tent or for whatever purpose you might have when you're on the go or in emergency situations. So anyways guys, this has been a quick video first look and a quick first impressions review of this waterproof LED USB-based light. Definitely a new twist on a very popular concept now, rollable, flexible LED light strips. But this one is really meant for camping and on-the-go purposes. So thanks for watching this video here at OS Reviews. You can learn more details in our upcoming written review, but this has been our video.